Evening Python programmers. Today in this video we are learning Tkinter programming in Python. How can we work using Tkinter in Python and what are the applications of Tkinter? So to start with, let's start what is the meaning of this word Tkinter. Basically, Tkinter is the standard GUI library for Python. There are many options that can be used for creating the GUI applications in Python. For example, WX Python, JPython, and the best option is Tkinter. It is a standard GUI library that can be used for creating many GUI applications in Python. It comes built in with this Python module, and we use many widgets in Tkinter. Basically, how can we create the GUI application using Tkinter in Python? Today we are learning those steps. The first step is import the Tkinter module. The second step is you have to create the GUI application main window. Third step is to add the widgets to the GUI application. So my dear viewers, what is the meaning of this term widgets? There are various controls that are provided by the Tkinter in Python. These controls are called button, text box, check button, menu buttons. These are called widgets in Python. Depending on our application, we add these widgets to the GUI window, and then we implement the various events using this widgets. So we have to enter the main event loop to take the action against each event triggered by the user. We can create many GUI applications using Tkinter in Python. We can do various types of data analyzation with the best graphical user interface, and that best graphical user interface application, it will be provided by the best GUI library in Python, that is called Tkinter. So now today in this video we are learning how can we create the basic window of Tkinter. In the further videos we will be learning how can we add the widgets to the main Tkinter window, and how can we implement the various GUI applications, and how can we create the best GUI. But in this video, we are just learning how can we create the main window in Tkinter. So to start with, the first step is to import the Tkinter module. So from Tkinter, import star, and then we have to take one variable. We have to create an object of that class. That this name can be anything. You can set it to root or it can be any other name. Now I want to set the title. I want to set the title of my window, of my Tkinter window, that is welcome to Tkinter programming. And then I want to use, here I will use root.main loop. My dear viewers, root.main loop is a method in the main window that will execute when we want to run the application. It will loop forever. It will wait for the events to occur, so that it will exit only when we close the main window or we close the application using the keyboard interrupt. So here, these are the basic steps. How can we create the main window of Tkinter in Python? In this, we are not creating any GUI best application. We are just telling you that the first step is to create after importing the module, you have to create the window. So if we run this, you can see here, this is a Tkinter window that we can check. This is a Tkinter window where we can add the various widgets to this screen later on in the later videos. This is a title that I have set, welcome to Tkinter programming, and this is our Tkinter window where we will be adding the various widgets in the next video. And for this video, we have just learned that how can we create the main window of Tkinter. In the further videos, we will be learning how can we create the best UI applications using Tkinter, and what are the other applications of Tkinter in Python. Thank you.